Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at this tool tote made by NECKORY. Now this tote's a really nice tote. It has a lot of really cool stuff. It's made out of a heavy-duty nylon, so it's going to handle the weather and the elements. It's not going to fall apart real easily. It should last a long time. One of the things I really like about this is if you look real close, all of the stitching is double stitched everywhere around it. Even the zipper compartments, everything is heavy duty. Now, when we're talking about the zippers, it has a little handle here that will actually strap around and hold the handle together, but it is a double zipper system. So you can actually come if you want and zip halfway with one and the other way with the other. I like that because if I have certain tools I want to grab real quick, but I want to still keep them secure, I can stick them down on just one side or the other. Now, this particular bag is the medium. They come in a medium and a large, and they are also going to come in about 4 different colors. Now, this particular one has 3 secure compartments on the very front, which means that if I have things like small tools like these, that I don't want, falling out while I'm moving the bag around, I can secure these. This could also be a wallet. It could be a cell phone. It could be anything that you want to make sure cannot fall out. So I like that part of it. You'll notice the straps themselves, they're going to have 2 for that handle that you can hold that has that Velcro that I just showed you that goes around to lock it in place. Now that Velcro keeps them together, but it also makes it really easy on your hands while you're trying to carry this around. And you need to always look at your stitching on these. Sometimes they'll have just a very cheap single line stitch around the outside. This has the line that goes around the outside, and then it has a cross stitch in the center. So I like that an awful lot. Now, it also comes with the shoulder strap with the quick connects here on the side. You just push those down and slide them onto the plastic rings. And now I can carry this by shoulder, and it is fully padded, so it's easy on my shoulder. So I have multiple ways to carry this around. If you look on this side here, actually I'm going to open this so it makes it a little easier for you to actually see these side compartments. So with this open, you can see you have a compartment here that you can put stuff that actually snaps shut, that'll hold things in. That's a great place to put things like keys, things that you don't want falling out easy, but you want quick access to. On this side, it's got the little loops where you can actually connect other things that have clips like this onto the side and hang them from the bag. Now, if I go around to the back side, you're going to see a lot of my scissors and shears here that actually can fit in real quickly. You can put screwdrivers here, you can put wrenches, pliers, whatever it is that you need and whatever you're using this particular bag for. So one of the cool things is you can separate your tools into different compartments and keep, like say right now I've got my shears and scissors in the back. You may want to have wrenches back there, you may want to have something else in the front, and may want to have other things inside. Now I have some of my tool totes that I'm carrying here. Here's blades. First of all, before I show you the compartments inside, one of the things that I think is really important, your zippers are always the most important thing on these. You want to make sure that they move very easily. With the zipper actually fully open, you can see inside you have all the area, which I had the big pieces, but then I have other compartments all along the sides. This side, the back is open, and this side. So I can put extra tools in those compartments to be able to grab them really quickly. It is non-slip. If you notice, it has these little pieces here. And you may be thinking, well, so what? What's the big deal about a bag being non-slip? Well, in my case, I spend a lot of time on roofs, especially metal roofs, and they're very slippery, and I have to carry my bag of tools up there with me. Well, if it is a non-slip bag, it makes it extremely simple for me to be able to set it there and not worry about it taking off the side of the roof. So if I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think they built a really nice bag. Whatever it is you need a good tote for, this is going to do the job. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.